Upcoming Indian Grand Prix is in trouble as the Supreme Court has agreed to hear a PIL seeking a stay on the Formula One event to be held in Noida this weekend. The Supreme Court is likely to hear this PIL tomorrow itself.
Well, on Monday, the Apex Court had, sought the. This was actually one of the petitioners that sought the Supreme Court's permission to withdraw its 2011 decision to grant entertainment tax exemption to the Indian Grand Prix organizer JP Sports International. That was, and there is this tussle with the UP government that's been going on. Meenakshi Bhanja joining us with more details. So the PIL will be heard on Friday, Meenakshi.
Yes, absolutely. This is a plea which has been filed by the petitioner, private petitioner Amit Kumar, who on earlier occasion had also filed a plea in the Supreme Court. At that point in time, he had been allowed release from the Supreme Court, and essentially this particular plea is because he feels that the earlier ruling of the Supreme Court has not yet been fully complied with by the JP Group. Essentially, this is pertaining to what he feels is the payment of several hundred crores of entertainment tax, which is due to him as per the earlier Supreme Court direction, which had specifically stated that from the year 2011-2012 earnings, entertainment tax.
And we've lost that line with Meenakshi, but also joining us now is Viren. Viren, how much trouble is this event into when you talk about this PIL?
Well, it's something that we will learn tomorrow. The court will hear the PIL tomorrow, and we will hear about what exactly will be the next step that the court will direct the organizers of the race, JP, to do. The JP for the moment, though, have remained tight-lipped on what will happen on this entire matter. They refuse to speak as far as the case is concerned. They said they will speak once the case is heard by the Supreme Court. So we expect a statement from JP tomorrow in this matter.
Well, thanks for that, Viren. For the second straight year, there is controversy that's dogging the Indian Grand Prix. Last year around, it was all the trouble with Vijay Mallya, team principal of Force India, and also the trouble with Kingfisher Airlines. This time around, it's the entertainment tax exemption issue. Thanks for that.